my channel. It's Kirsten here at Robinson Unboxing. So right now we're going to unbox the mystery bag from Huda Beauty. So this one is 102-ish in Canadian dollars. And I mean, delivery did take a little while. I think it took about 2-3 weeks. So we're gonna dive into this and see what is in here. So the inside of it looks like this. So I imagine my daughter is gonna steal this bag and carry around all her toys in it for later. So the first product we have is a rose oil. So once we open it up, it's cute little packaging. I tend to stay away from skincare because of my rosacea, so I gotta do my research and see if I can use it. Next we have face and body eczema scrub. And this is what it's gonna look like. Just a squeezy tube. So apparently it has pineapple and papaya in it, and charcoal, witch hazel. So might give that one a try if I can use it. Next things are masks. So we have an eye lift and contour mask. Then we have Thirst Trap, a coconut mask. And then we have a chin lift. I wonder if it gets rid of my double chin or not. And that's all for one side. So the other side is gonna look like this. And it looks to be more the makeup portion versus skincare. So first off the bat, we have Monique number 3 lashes. And as said in previous videos, right now I do have my extensions in. So I will try this later. I mean, I don't know about any of you, but I can't get my extensions to stay in longer than a week or two. So it shouldn't be that long. I might try out a couple different looks, do some pictures, and make a video out of it. Next, we have a Bullet Matte Lipstick, and it is in the shade Last Night, and it looks brown. So, if I can get into it. Maybe not. Oh, there we go. This is the packaging, what it looks like. And it is a chocolate brown. Now, I'm not going to swatch this one because I know I will not use this color. It doesn't look great on me. So, that one. Next, we have Matte and Metal Melted Shadows. Okay, so this is what the packaging looks like, and it does look like it's a dual one. So this one is called Request and Slow Jams. So I'm just gonna do a little swatchy on my hand. One's like a lilac-y purple color, lavender maybe we'll call it. And this side has like a paintbrush tip, and it is definitely a metallic pink. So that's what it's gonna look like. And I will be definitely using the pink anything sparkly. Next, we have another one exactly the same. Well, not exactly the same, different shades. So this one has the two shades. One's called VI Pink and the other one's $1 Million Deals. So we're going to start with the matte one first. Okay, so that matte one is ridiculously close in shade to the first one. So now we're going to try the metallic one. So that one was the VI Pink, and this one's going to be the $1 Million Deals. So there is the 4 shades from all 4 liquid eyeshadows. So now that these are drying, I'm gonna go into the last 2 products, and then I'm gonna see if I can smudge these to see how wearable they're gonna be, whether they're gonna move or not. So our next item is going to be red liquid lipstick. I love red lipstick. So we're gonna swatch a little bit of this. We're gonna go down my arm a bit. And it is a very red. But it kind of has like an orangey tone to it. So we're gonna let this one dry too. And we're gonna see. Now the one thing to know about this one, and it does say Huda Beauty loves Allure, and Allure did have them in their mystery box a while ago, so I'm not exactly sure how old it is, but I mean, there's no expiration date, so I'm sure it's gonna be fine, but we will test it out anyways. And our last item looks to be a palette. So once I open it, this is what the palette's gonna look like. It does say it's Mercury Retrograde eyeshadow palette, and it's got 18 different shadows in it. So if I can get it open. So there is a mirror, and there's all your different shades. You got some glitters, some shimmers, and a lot of mattes. And I like this one because I don't tend to go with too bold of colors. But mattes, like nothing's coming off with the mattes. The shimmers, tiny bit. Now with the red tends to rub off quite a bit, and it takes a while to dry. So, I mean, right now, if I press on it, it's still tacky and it is giving off some pigment. So, honestly, I couldn't tell you right now. I need to let it dry a bit, and then, I mean, I'll let you know in my next video what I think of it. Alright, have a good night, guys. Bye. Always like and subscribe the page. Hit the notification bell at the bottom, and then next time I upload a video, then you'll automatically get sent it. Alright, have a good night, guys. Bye.